from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the volume is too low on your connected headset or Bluetooth device with your Android phone. So there's a couple different things that you want to do. First, go to your headset and you want to make sure the speaker is turned up all the way before you adjust the volume on your phone. So this headset, all I have to do is rotate this little dial on the side, and now this is maxed out. Then go to your phone and just increase the sound. And then you can see the Bluetooth option right there. So I can swipe down from the top right and go to settings here as well. And then go to sound and vibrations. And I just want to go to show more and just make sure media, video games and volumes, if we increase that, that should increase the sound for a headset as well. So I don't know if it will adjust in here when I adjust this, but make sure it's maxed out for the volume on here, then adjust on your phone. Now there's some other basic things that you want to go ahead and try as well. Like restarting your phone. Sometimes there's a connection issue with Bluetooth or something like that. Just doing a quick restart can help out. So go to restart by holding on the power button. Then also what we could do is try disconnecting the device and repairing it. So go back up to settings, go to connections, and then go to Bluetooth. Otherwise, just try turning off Bluetooth and then turning it back on. Very simple. Now on my version of Android, if I go to my my headset in here, there's more options. So I can go into here, and then I could try disabling some of these settings under here, like sync volume with phone. I could try disabling that, and then trying to increase the volume with the slider here, and then just max it out. So if I go back to the sound settings, I should have more options in there as well. So let's just go up, go to the little three dots, and you can see media and everything else is located in there. So you can try disabling under here, and then there's also different settings like call audio. Make sure this is turned on and is connected. Otherwise you're not going to be getting any audio for media audio as well. So go into here. Now you could also go to on pair and then reconnect the device. That could work. So once everything is set up with the sound audio, we can go back, and then under my phone, if I go to sound and vibrations, there is another setting under here that I could try adjusting sound quality and effects. I could try adjusting the playback mode. So it looks like my headset isn't connected anymore at the moment, but I could switch it from auto to 3D audio, natural, standard, etc. So you could just try adjusting under here. Now there's another thing that we could do. We could try disabling absolute audio if we have the option. So if we go down to about phone, go to the build number and just tap this and unlock developer options. So when you unlock that, we can go back. You might see developer options on here, and about phone could be under system information. The developer options for build number, that could be under system information. But once we unlock this here, we can go to developer options, and we're looking for a setting called absolute audio. Just disable that under this menu. So I don't believe my phone has it, but some of the older versions of Android do. So I got this Samsung phone right here, and if I go to the developer options, I do have the option for absolute audio, and I can just disable it under here. So if you're not able to find it, you can just go to search and look for it. So here it is, disable absolute audio. So you can just turn this on, and then it should allow you to increase the sound of your phone. Another way that you can do that is by going to the Google Play Store and get this audio app. It's called Volume Booster Good EV. If we open this up, you can see we can just boost the volume right here. So it looks like I can boost it pretty much double, all the way up to 60% more than the normal. So that's a good option as well. So bunch of different ways that you could increase the sound, but there's some volume booster apps in the Google Play Store that you can boost it beyond the normal amount too. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.